Envision reaching financial stability, only to face requests from family seeking a piece of your prosperity, a collision of generosity and pressure. This thought-provoking scenario is the unspoken dilemma we'll explore today. Attention! The invisible burden of wealth. We often overlook the invisible burden that accompanies wealth, especially when it intersects with family dynamics. The silence surrounding money requests from relatives leads to a complex web of emotions and obligations. Navigating this requires emotional intelligence and resilience beyond financial acumen. When family approaches you for assistance, they may not see your struggles, sacrifices, and plans. Each request tugs at heartstrings, creating an internal conflict between wanting to help and safeguarding your financial health. The emotional toll of saying no is palpable, but so is the strain of saying yes, breeding dependency or resentment if boundaries aren't clearly communicated and respected. This dynamic sets up an intricate dance of expectations where both sides risk feeling misunderstood or undervalued. Finding harmony in relationships built on unconditional support rather than financial transactions is a delicate balance. Recognizing this invisible burden is the first step to successfully navigating its challenges. Interest. Unlocking the secrets to financial harmony. The first secret to financial harmony lies in mastering the art of setting boundaries without guilt. Find a balance that respects both your needs and those of loved ones through clear communication about what you're willing to contribute and under what circumstances. This prevents misunderstandings or entitlement down the line. Next, engage in transformative money conversations. It's not just saying no or yes, but educating your family on why and how certain financial decisions are made. Explain concepts like emergency funds, investment strategies, or budgeting basics to empower them to make informed choices. Creating a legacy involves more than accumulating assets. It's passing on knowledge and values related to wealth building across generations. Establish trusts, explore educational funds for younger members, or invest in value-aligned ventures to ensure your hard-earned wealth benefits current and future generations. Empowering family through financial literacy is a priceless gift. Encourage their quest to understand personal finance better through formal education, books, or shared experiences managing money wisely. An empowered family thrives together financially. Envision a future where healthy boundaries benefit everyone, where money talks breed mutual respect and understanding, not anxiety. Celebrate milestones together as members reach new personal finance goals through shared wisdom and support. Patience and consistent effort transition from tension to triumph without sacrificing individual wellness. One monumental aspect is creating a wisdom-rich legacy, not just material wealth. Life lessons on perseverance, smart investing, rational spending passed down generation to generation. This invaluable inheritance ensures prosperity transcends your lifetime, reshaping destinies and impacting society positively through ripple effects touching countless lives. Desire. Envisioning a future of financial freedom and family harmony. Imagine a future where conversations about money spark joy within your family rather than anxiety, where healthy financial boundaries have fostered an environment in which every member feels valued, understood, and empowered. This isn't just a distant dream, but an achievable reality through open dialogue and shared wisdom. The ripple effect of establishing respectful financial boundaries extends beyond immediate relief from tension. It cultivates an atmosphere of mutual understanding and genuine connections within familial relationships. Envision holiday gatherings free from undercurrents of unspoken financial grievances. Transition from moments filled with tension over financial expectations to triumphs celebrated together as each member reaches personal finance milestones. The joy found in these shared successes strengthens bonds based on mutual support and respect rather than dependency or obligation. By openly communicating about finances, you're not only building bridges between present conflicts, but constructing a legacy rich in wisdom beyond wealth accumulation. It's about instilling values like accountability, foresight, and discipline when managing personal finances. Sharing stories that teach how smart decisions today lead to lasting security. In this envisioned future, Your family's journey toward financial freedom becomes a collective effort, a path walked hand in hand where victories multiply because they're shared among loved ones. You become pioneers of a tradition where wealth transcends figures and bank accounts, measured instead by the depth of understanding and cooperation within the family dynamic. This future begins with actions taken today to foster an environment wherein open money discussions pave the way for holistic growth, financial and relational, creating a symbiotic relationship between achieving individual dreams and supporting each other's overall wellness. Consequently, what's passed down is an inheritance laden with knowledge on navigating life's financial waters smoothly, an invaluable resource ensuring prosperity transcends generations within your lineage.